In this video, we're checking out the best. Whoa, this microscope looks way better than expected. The packaging feels compact, clean, and surprisingly premium. Today, I'm testing the Alikliv 4 3-inch LCD microscope. It's designed for coins, electronics, jewelry, and more. Right away, the screen stands out the most. A 3-inch display makes everything easy to see. No squinting, no leaning in, no neck strain. That alone already feels much more comfortable. Let's power it on and check the image quality. The 720p HD view looks sharp and detailed. Colors appear clear with solid contrast and brightness. The 8 LED lights make a big difference. Even in dim light, the subject stays visible. I can brighten or soften the lighting easily. That helps reduce glare on shiny coin surfaces. Now I'm placing a coin under the lens. The details appear instantly on the LCD screen. Fine patterns, scratches, and lettering are much easier. For coin collectors, this is extremely useful. You can inspect dates, mint marks, and condition. That makes sorting and evaluating coins more accurate. The magnification is strong and genuinely impressive. Small objects suddenly look larger and easier to analyze. Just remember, distance affects the final magnification, so positioning really matters for the best result. The height adjustable stand makes that much easier. You can fine-tune focus without awkward hand movements. That flexibility helps during longer inspection sessions. I also like how stable the setup feels. It doesn't wobble much during careful adjustments. Another great feature is PC compatibility. Connecting it to Windows or MacBook is simple. The larger screen view feels really practical. It's perfect for sharing live views with others. That makes teaching, group viewing, or demos easier. You can also save images and videos for later. Great for documentation, comparison, or detailed review. The built-in rechargeable battery is another plus. It gives around 3 hours of portable use. That makes it convenient for indoor and outdoor tasks. I could see students loving this for STEM learning. It's also useful for watch, repair, and circuits. Even stamp collectors would appreciate the detail here. For hobbies, it feels practical and genuinely fun. And for kids, it's a great curiosity tool. This microscope makes small things feel exciting again. The viewing experience is clear, simple, and comfortable. The LED lighting and display are the biggest wins. PC connectivity adds real value beyond basic inspection. If you collect coins, this is especially worth considering. It helps you see details you might otherwise miss. I also like the easy photo and video capture. Just note, you'll need a memory card separately. Overall, this feels like a solid, versatile microscope. It's beginner-friendly but still useful for serious hobbyists. Honestly, I think it's a smart buy for the price. If you want clearer close-up viewing, check this out, especially if coins, electronics, or education are your focus. That wraps up my hands-on look today. If you found this helpful, definitely give it a look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite gadget.